Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We are back with another update for Render Network. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash that bell notification icon, and don't forget to grab your completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below this video in the description. Grab it now down below while it's free, and let's get into the video. So, Render has been bouncing pretty nicely over the past few days. We have Bitcoin getting back up above $98,300 as we speak here in early January. We saw Render retracing here during the early part of December all the way down throughout the entire month pretty much. We retraced from prices up at $11 all the way back down to retest the 200-day simple moving average, going as low as $6.60. Even wicking all the way to $6.11 here would have been a good buying opportunity if you had some limit orders in here. But Render is bouncing off of the 200-day simple moving average, and in my opinion, this is actually quite a nice bullish signal. Again, if we go back here all the way to the last time Render did this, breaking above the 200-day simple moving average all the way back in the middle of October 2023, we saw this breakout price moving up here from about $1.70 to $2.62. We hit this peak before retracing and wicking down to the 200-day simple moving average to retest it. And again, you can see once we broke out, retested, we went much, much higher. And zooming out even further, on the back of that move and getting back above the 200-day simple moving average, Render went all the way on a 634% gain run over the course of 153 days between middle of October 2023 and middle of March 2024. So that's what we were looking at over here, with Render getting back up above this 200-day simple moving average. What does it mean? Well, if we zoom out and project a 634% increase from breaking back above the 200-day simple moving average, if this same type of scenario was to play out once again, that would put us getting Render prices upwards of $50 here over the next few months. Again, this took 153 days to play out. Maybe it takes longer, maybe it takes shorter, maybe we don't even get this high. But, you know, if you've been watching the channel here, guys, for a while, you know we've been talking about Render all year. Going back, you can check out the other videos on the channel. I will leave links to them at the top of the screen here. But with this bounce, the retest of the 200-day, I think this is looking pretty good, especially with Bitcoin momentum getting back up towards $100,000. And with the inauguration happening towards the end of January on the 20th, with the most crypto-friendly administration entering office in the United States, I think we're looking at a pretty bullish outlook over the next 6 to 12 months. Again, this is not financial advice, guys. Do your own research. Make sure to check out all of the technicals and fundamentals behind any project or protocol that you're investing in. But if we look at the potential here for Render, I think there's a lot of exciting potential over the coming months. Again, we had such a huge run up here until the middle of March. Big drawdown. We were telling you just a couple months ago on the channel, you can go back and check the videos, guys. This was a great area to be accumulating Render here between $4 and $5. I think I made a video right around this time, you know, signaling potentially some of the last time you could have had to be buying Render under $5. So again, well done to you if you were accumulating during this period with this entire sideways movement between August and October, November timeframe. Again, if you're not familiar, guys, Render Network is focusing on distributed GPU on the blockchain. Again, the whole idea here with all of this artificial intelligence revolution happening, you've got the biggest corporations in the world, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Facebook, Amazon. They're all competing to have the largest slice of the pie in this artificial intelligence revolution. It's not just unique to crypto, but tokens like Render are leading the way when it comes to decentralized or distributed GPU to unleash the near limitless power of GPU compute. And again, the idea here is you've got, all of these different AI protocols like ChatGPT, for example, centralized protocols that require huge amounts of compute and GPU rendering when actually executing functions. And all of these large LLMs require huge amounts of energy in order to process all of the prompts and everything that we're feeding these new AIs. Again, right now, most of that is happening in a centralized manner, which leads to time and cost inefficiencies. And the whole idea with Render is, if they can decentralize and use distributed GPU in order to process all of this, all of these queries and all of the compute necessary for all of these artificial intelligence protocols, then the idea is it will significantly reduce the cost of that GPU rendering and also reduce or increase efficiencies for time and energy as well. So lots of interesting stuff happening here. You can see fast, elastic, affordable cloud rendering made secure, distributed GPU on the blockchain. Render is one of the leading AI tokens in the entire crypto space. Again, all you have to do is come over to CoinMarketCap, check out the AI narrative. We're seeing huge amounts of stuff happening with AI agents lately as well. But if you jump into the artificial intelligence narrative, you will see Render as one of the leading protocols here. We've got a market cap of about 4.1 billion US dollars for Render here. At the beginning of January 2024, it's slightly larger, barely larger than Tau. We've done lots of videos about BitTensor Tau on the channel. We dropped a video about Near Protocol just last week. Go back and check those other videos on the channel, guys. This AI revolution is not unique to crypto, but there's going to be so many crypto protocols and AI agents riding on the coattails of this macro global AI narrative over the course of the next 6 to 12 months and far beyond that as well. There will be winners in this space. I think Render is poised to capture a lot of the market share and a lot of the mind share when it comes to artificial intelligence over the next 6 to 12 months. Again, do your research, guys. This is not financial advice. You can check it out for yourself. Again, I'm looking to see is there going to be any kind of link with some of these AI agent protocols and what they might be able to do with Render as well. This AI agent narrative, I think, is going to be very, very popular over the coming months. Also, waiting to see if we can have any kind of integration with Render that might be, bringing more agents or more capacity for different frameworks to launch agents or launch pads that help individual consumers or retail investors launch agents as well. It'll be very interesting to see how this entire space evolves. Let's wait and see what happens. Definitely exciting stuff going on with Render. If you want an updated price prediction video, guys, for Render, let me know below. It's been about 4 to 6 weeks since we looked at our last Render price prediction. If you want an update, drop me a comment. Tell me if you want it below. I will get it made in the next couple of weeks and we'll get an update for Render on the channel with a price prediction for the end of 2025. As always, guys, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified about similar content, smash the bell notification icon. Once again, completely free. Don't forget to grab it down below. The Rise of Bitcoin 100% free PDF copy in the description. Grab it now and we'll catch you in the next one.